Concrete pump mainly used in house construction, bridge and tunnel construction. The horizontal distance of conveying is 400 m, and the vertical distance is 120-160 m. Can be used normally in hot or cold weather. It has the function of anti-pump, which is conducive to timely troubleshooting of pipe blockage. Long-stroke material cylinder prolongs the service life of material cylinder and piston. Optimally designed hopper for easy cleaning and better suction performance. With remote control function, the operation is more convenient. Pumping advantages: high pressure, long distance, large displacement, coarse aggregate. 24 hours online service. You are welcome to inquire.